Droppering clipping is one of the most important activity in OEC. Main purpose is dropper is to hold the contact wire and flow of electricity from catenary to contact. To start droppering clipping, at first, we need to mark the center point of the bracket on the track, and then bisecting is one of these methods. After bisecting, we need to mark on track for different dropper position. On this video, we are marking a span which is 49.5 meter long. So at first, we mark a 2.25 meter from the center, and then 9 meter, and then as per dropper schedule accordingly. Here with tower wagon, we are facing a problem. That is, from the top of the tower wagon, we cannot see the marking on the track. So we make a temporary arrangement of plumb bob to reach the marking on the track, and a man is standing down to confirm the position of the plumb bob with the marking at the same position on the track.
Then we need to identify A, B and C dropper, which are of different length.
After choosing appropriate dropper, we need to fix the dropper at the catenary wire first by the help of catenary clip.
After fixing in catenary, we need to fix in contact wire by contact clip.
During this activity, we also need to adjust the RT of the bracket and erect steady arm.
To hold the RT at right position, we need BT clamp, RT dropper and RT clamp. After steady arm erection, we need to hold the contact wire by steady arm using swivel clip.
So this is the whole process of dropping clipping and steady arm erection.